see about third unit algebra. Father of algebra is Al-Khwarizmi. He is a Persian mathematician. This class is a linear equations in two variables, also called as system of linear equation or simultaneous equations. I write 4x plus y equal to 6. In this equation, there are three terms. X and y are the variables, while 6 is the constant and 4 is the coefficient of x. The highest power of the variable x is 1 and the highest power of variable y is also 1. Hence, all the variables in this equation has highest power 1. This equation is known as one-degree equation or linear equation. Next, I will write two equations. First one is x plus y equal to 10. Then the second equation x minus y equal to 2. This pair of equations are called linear equation in two variables or system of equation, are also known as simultaneous equations. We have two equations here and two variables x and y. Next, we will see the definition of linear equation in two variables. Any first degree equation containing two variables x and y is called a linear equation in two variables. The general form of linear equation in two variables x and y is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where at least one of a comma b is non-zero and a comma b comma c are real numbers. Next, we are going to see an example. Example 3.1. The father's age is 6 times his son's age. 6 years hence, the age of father will be 4 times his son's age. Find the present age of the son and father. So students, first read the problem carefully and what is given and what we want to find. So listen, in this problem, two conditions are given. What is the first condition? The father age is 6 times his son's age. This is the first condition. Then the second condition is 6 years hence, the age of father will be 4 times his son's age. What we want to find? The present age of son and father. Let us consider the present age of father be x years and the present age of son be y years. Next, what is the first condition? The father age is 6 times his son's age. So, the father age is x. So, x is equal to What is given? The father age is means is equal to. So x is equal to 6 times his son's age. 6 times means 6 multiple y. 6 multiple y means 6y. That is the first condition. So this is equation number 1. Then what is the next condition? 6 years hence. Hence means after. So 6 years after, the age of father will be. So x is the father's age. So x plus 6. After means add. So plus 6 is equal to 4 times. So 4 into his son's age. So y plus 6. This is equation number 2. Then put x equal to 6y in equation number 2. So equation 2 implies x plus 6 equal to 4 into y plus 6. So substituting x equal to 6y. So 6y plus 6 equal to multiplying 4 into each term. So 4y plus 6 4s are 24. Then next, shifting 6 from RHS to LHS. So 6y minus 4y is equal to 24 minus 6. So 6y minus 4y is 2y is equal to 18. So y equal to 18 divided by 2. Then 9 2s are 18. So cancel y equal to 9. Y means what? Y is the present age of son. Therefore, the present age of son is 9 years. Substitute y equal to 9 in equation number 1. Equation 1 implies x equal to 6y. So x equal to 6 into what is y value? 9. So 6 into 9 is 54. So x means what? Father's age. So father's age is 54. Therefore, the present age of father is 54 and the present age of son is 9 years. Have you understood? We are going to see the next example. Example 3.2. Solve 2x minus 3y equal to 6, comma, x plus y equal to 1. So, two equations are given. So, first equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 6. Then next equation is x plus 1 equal to 1. Let I call this is equation number 1, and x plus y equal to 1, this is equation number 2. Then adding first two equations. So what is equation 1? 2x minus 3y equal to 6. Then equation 2 is multiplied by 3. So equation 2 is x plus y equal to 1. 3 into x is 3x plus 3 into y is 3y is equal to 1 into 3 is 3. Then add equation 1 and 2. So 2x plus 3x equal to 5x. So listen, the coefficient of y is what? Minus 3, and the coefficient of y is plus 3. So 3 minus 3 cancel, is equal to 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. So x equal to 9 by 5. So we get x equal to 9 by 5, and put x equal to 9 by 5 in equation 1 or 2. I will take equation number 2. So what is equation 2? X plus y equal to 1. Put x equal to 9 by 5 in equation 2. So substitute the x value, 9 by 5 plus y equal to 1, y equal to 1, 9 by 5 shift to that side. So 1 minus 9 by 5. So take the LCM. LCM of 1 comma 5 is 5. So 5 minus 9. So 5 minus 9 is minus 4 by 5. We will get y value is minus 4 by 5. Therefore, x equal to 9 by 5 and y equal to minus 4 by 5. Have you understood?